Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh yeah, good Friday evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight in Glendive. Sandy Dare said this is the way it looked. The storm blew through just before the sunset, and so it gave us some really cool looking clouds out there, didn't it, huh? Take a look at this, though. The sun did blow on through, and so did the storm. And take a look, we got a nice rainbow effect that came to us from Vicky Rao, also in Glendive, and so that's the way it looked as that rain showers were kind of moving in towards the Glendive area. Meanwhile, here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. Currently, not a bad night for us. We got a couple of lightning strikes off in the distance, but that's about a couple of thunder showers trying to come our way. Right now, we do have a thunderstorm in the area. It's room temperature 72 degrees, winds out of the west at 12 miles per hour. Now our high temp today is 87 degrees. Yeah, it was toasty. Normal high for this time of year is 84, so actually we're ahead of normal. The record was 103 back in 2012. The record low was 47 back in 1972. And when it comes to precipitation, nothing really measurable fell in our rain gauge. We had a couple of raindrops, the stuff I would call like a 5-inch rain where the raindrops are 5 inches apart, but that's all we saw today. And then after that, you'll notice nothing new for the month. And so for the year, we're a little bit behind normal there as well, 7.80. Need to be at 8.14 to be caught up to average. Now around the rest of the state, our current temps are still into the 60s in the southwest. Got some 70s over at Kalispell and Missoula. Across the Highline, still into the 70s. A little cool over at Lewistown. We've had some showers there as well tonight. 58 degrees, 60s and 70s just about everywhere else in Montana and northern Wyoming. But look at our reported highs today. Oh man, it was a scorcher today. We had all this moisture moving into the area. Then you had the heat to it, creates a lot more lift. And so all through this area, we had some big showers and thunderstorms and really honking big ones as well into the 90s there. But you'll notice tonight we still have a severe thunderstorm watch for much of the northeastern corner of the state, plus a high wind advisory until midnight tonight along the Fort Peck Reservoir area as well. Doppler radar shows you the showers and thunderstorms. Look at this. We got two big cells left, really. This is the one here I was looking at, the one that came through a Glendive. Now continues to push its way out of the region, but it did have over there, I believe up by the Glasgow area, did have reports of some hail, some nickel-sized hail out of that thing, and also I believe it was Nelson Creek. They also had some heavy showers and thunderstorms and some large hail in that thing. The whole thing continues to push out of the region tonight. What you'll notice here, we're looking at another one that's coming off the Beartooth Mountains. Has some stronger cells. This one is trying to make its way around the Billings area, producing some light rain in the west end right now. And so we'll continue to see this as the night goes on. A few more spotty showers still to come our way. So we'll move back here and show you what's going to happen tonight. For tomorrow, you'll look at an increased risk of severe thunderstorms. That one will include the city of Billings. So tomorrow could see some big thunder bumpers as well. Boomers, and it's about a 30% chance for thunder showers moving in throughout the afternoon and that evening. Outside of that, it looks like a marginal risk of severe storms to the west of Billings. So as you'll see here tonight, we're looking at a little dip of the jet stream, allowing some cool air to move in, and it's pulling some moisture out the Pacific Ocean right into south central Montana. At the surface, we've had one cold front push through, another one getting ready to come in, but this high pressure cell is going to hold that back a little bit. So what that's going to do is allow us to have some prefrontal warming, warmer temperatures up there on Saturday. That'll cook us up again into the upper 80s, but then that night, this next cold front pushes on through, and then we'll see some cooler temperatures pull in behind that as we head into Sunday, and also some more scattered rain showers in our area. How much more rain? Maybe about a tenth to a quarter inch of rain expected in the Billings area and around much of south central Montana. Tonight we'll cool back down to the 40s and 50s out in the west, 50s and 60s back here in eastern Montana with some spotty rain showers. Tomorrow we'll get back to the 80s, some 90s again. Sunny skies part of the day, but then afternoon and evening thunder showers here in eastern Montana and also out in the west. For tomorrow, tonight in Billings, it'll be a 20% chance for more rain, 58 degrees. Next 7 days, I hope you like the 80s. We got them all the way through the rest of the week, and we'll see a chance for afternoon splash and dash showers each day right on through Thursday. Then Friday of next week, a week from today, will dry up. Let's go back up to Russ.